Want to know how to speed up your laptop? Let's dive into some effective ways to boost your laptop's performance. From hardware upgrades to software updates, we'll cover 7 key tips to get your laptop running at its peak. So, ready to give your laptop a speed boost? Let's get started. Firstly, consider upgrading your hardware. This could involve adding more RAM or switching to a solid-state drive for faster read-write speeds. Adding more RAM to your laptop can give it the extra muscle it needs to run multiple applications simultaneously with ease. On the other hand, switching from a traditional hard disk drive to a solid-state drive can drastically improve your laptop's read and write speeds, making your system run smoother and faster. Upgrading your hardware can significantly improve your laptop's performance, particularly when running multiple applications at once. Next, optimize your startup programs. This involves disabling unnecessary programs from starting up with your laptop. On Windows, use the Task Manager, and on macOS, use the Activity Monitor. By optimizing your startup programs, you can speed up your laptop's boot time and overall performance. Thirdly, keep your software up to date. This includes your operating system, drivers, and any applications you use. Updated software often runs smoother and faster, helping your laptop to perform at its best. Remember, updates often come with performance improvements and bug fixes, so never ignore them. Fourthly, remove unnecessary programs and run a disk cleanup. Uninstalling unused software is a breeze on both Windows and macOS. Next, run a disk cleanup to remove temporary files. By freeing up space on your laptop's storage, you can improve its speed and efficiency. Lastly, scan your laptop for malware, and ensure your graphics drivers are up to date. Regular malware scans are critical for keeping your laptop running at peak performance. Malicious software can drastically slow down your system, so it's vital to catch and remove these threats early. Upgrading your graphics drivers is also key, especially for those who use their laptops for gaming or graphic-intensive applications. Keep them updated for the best visual experience. By taking these steps, you can improve your laptop's performance and ensure it runs smoothly and efficiently. So, there you have it. These are some simple yet effective ways to speed up your laptop. From hardware upgrades to software updates, optimizing startup programs, and keeping your laptop clean from unnecessary programs and malware. Remember, a well-maintained laptop is a fast and efficient laptop, so give these tips a try and enjoy a smoother computing experience.